Hello, this is Connie Boswell, your math teacher best friend. Normally, you would come into my classroom, sit at my desk, and we'll sit there shoulder to shoulder so I can help you through whatever math situation that you have. But we're in different times right now. So, what I'm going to do today is introduce you to your new best friend, which is khanacademy.org. This is your screen. If you've never visited before, you need to sign up. Very simple, traditional sign up. I've done it before, so I'm just going to log in. And I chose to use my personal email address because I tutor math outside of the scope of the School District of Philadelphia. So I wanted to choose a email address that I knew I would always have access to. And it populates the screen for you, and you know it's you because it has your username here. But I also want you to look at donate. It's such a wealth of knowledge here that you will see in a few minutes. It's a nonprofit organization, so you can take one of your gas fill-ups, since you're not going anywhere anyway, and donate it to this organization so they'll always be available for you. This just happens to be some of the things that I've gone through, but let's talk about what I need you to do. So you can check on progress because it keeps a record of the different things that you have visited, so you don't have to go back and try to remember how you got to a specific type of video. So these are all the videos I just reviewed earlier. But let's say you're just starting. All the way at the top left-hand corner, you see courses. Look at all the information that is available on all the different subjects. You could also use the search engine as well, but I just wanted you to see all that is here. So since I'm a math, let's take a look and let's go to 7th grade math. So it gives you a list of different things that you can go over. Negative numbers. Like I tell my students, that negative sign is not your friend. It will jack your answer up every time if you allow it. So let's go down to geometry. And let's look at circles. It gives you a lot of information about circles. So let's look at the radius. Okay, we can keep playing this, but what I wanted you to see is that you are able to get the visual of what he's saying. It gives you the ability to copy a link if you actually needed to put this in your lesson plan, so you can figure out what you want to do. Okay, let's say you started this and it's like, you listen to it for a while, it's like, maybe that's not exactly what you wanted, so you can stop and you can just go for the next video. It always has it in mind what you need. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to stop. Now, as you go through this, you can see there's a lot of information. They even give you a recommended progression. Here's your radius, diameter, your circumference, your area, and you can keep going on and on and on. And we just talked about one thing here. We just talked about circles. So you know there's a lot of mathematical terms here. I highly recommend that you use it. I highly recommend that you do donate. And if you come up with a fantastic one, copy that link and send it to a fellow math teacher, particularly if you're doing co-teaching or if you have a team of teachers teaching the exact same grade, then you can exchange some information. So I hope this is helpful. And this is what we're going to have to use until you can come back into my classroom and sit next to me at my desk like we normally do. Take care and be safe.